Hey everyone, Forrest here, ripping one box 2020 Panini Prizm Football Hobby. This box is for Noah G. Thanks, Noah, and good luck. It's alright, Paul. It's alright. Alright. Come on, Noah. Get some nice low number parallels here. Fireworks, Camara, Blue Ice, Demario Davis to 99. Zach Moss, CD Lamb rookie. Zadarius Smith and a 600 points. Coulter and Colin Johnson. Rookie Emergent, Joe Burrow. Purple Power, Zach Ertz to 49. Patrick Queen, Neville Gallimore. Is Gronk. And a Trevon Diggs, silver rookie auto. Yetur Gross-Matos, Eno Benjamin. Alvin Kamara, Brilliance. Orange, Neville Gallimore to 249. Laviska Shenault Jr., T. Higgins. Silver, Mark Ingram. Blue Wave, Brandon Cooks. To 199? 199. Josh Uche, Chase Claypool. Tom Brady. Silver, Frank Clark. Rookie green hyper, Justin Jefferson to 175. Congrats. 65 of 175. Congrats, Noah. Great card. Very nice. We'll mag that. Anthony Gordon, Xavier McKinney. Unstoppable, Jalen Smith. Red Wave, Jamal Adams to 149. Jake Luton, Gabriel Davis. Jamal Adams, lockdown. Tua, rookie base. Nice Tua. Darrington Evans. Pierre-Paul. Purple, Melvin Gordon to 125. Justin Herbert, rookie base. James Prochet. Green Scope. Sean Lee to 75. Logan Wilson, Jeremy Chin. There's 2 autos per box. This one had a Trevon Diggs rookie silver and 600 points in place of an auto. DJ Chark hype. Orange, DJ Moore to 249. Kenneth Murray and CJ Henderson. There you go, Noah. Congrats on the Herbert, the Tua, and that green hyper Jefferson. Get your card shipped out to you.